This is my my balcony stateroom on Norwegian Epic on deck 11, room 11235. And I got the bed set up, couch over across the room, lights, got some magazines, overhead storage compartments. We got a mini fridge. Room comes with a blow dryer, coffee maker, ice bucket. This is telephone. Then a seating area here, couch. And it's a ton of cabinet space, nice mirror, real nice mirror right there. Let's check out the closet space here. Pretty nice closet space, got a light in the closet. Huge space to store a suitcase or suitcases, bags. But then, you know, one cruise trick you can always do is store your luggage underneath the bed. Because most time there's a ton of space under the bed to store luggages, so that's normally where I put my luggages and suitcases, under the bed. And then there's also more closet space here, as well as the drawers. Then there's the balcony area. Real nice sized balcony. Standing room if you got a few people visiting in your room. And come right here. Look out, we see the Carnival breeze. There's Disney over there in the cut. Cape Canaveral. And the only thing that's weird about this room is the bathroom setup. If you are sharing with somebody, the bathroom setup is kind of weird because the shower's on this side. I think the toilet's on that side. And the sink is out here. So I guess it could either be a blessing or a curse, or convenient or not cool for some folks. And then there is a curtain here I guess you could pull, but if you had to be in a room with somebody else and you know you don't want them to see you getting dressed, I guess you could pull this curtain, stand on the other side. But still a little weird, and it got the frosted glass, so I don't know. If you got somebody else in your room with you, they might kind of see your silhouette sitting on the shower, or sitting on the toilet, your silhouette sitting on the toilet, or they might see your silhouette, I guess, while you're in the shower. So something to think about, how these bathrooms are made on the Epic. But just the toilet area back here, and then the shower area, typical kind of cruise shower, just in this frosted glass here. So alright, guess this would be a cool room for me. And then the towels are outside here.